Please welcome our keynote speaker, Emily He, CVP Business Applications Marketing. Welcome, Emily, to the virtual stage.
Hello, welcome and thank you for joining us today at the first ever Microsoft Customer Success Day. I'm Emily He, Corporate Vice President for Business Applications at Microsoft. I want to extend a special thank you to the Dynamics user group and those of you who attended yesterday's DynamicsCon virtual event. In the prior segment, my colleague Charles Lomana said that the way business applications are built will fundamentally change in this coming decade. The roadmap for Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform provides a hint at what's to come. As Charles mentioned, there are three trends that will transform the way we all work. We'll be able to do more with business data to gain insights and learn from it, especially when assisted by artificial intelligence. With AI embedded in apps to help guide and support business processes, and we'll be a little closer together with digital teamwork and collaboration built in to every work stream. Today, I want to focus in on AI, not just because it's one of the most talked about innovation today, but to offer a preview of how AI will bring value to you as a Dynamics 365 user. Let's start with the big picture. Things all around us are changing rapidly, and organizations need to adapt. This is nothing new. After years of disruption driven by the pandemic, industries are continuing to transform because of both macroeconomic forces like geopolitical instability, hyperinflation, and recessionary pressures. They're also transforming because of the demands from within the organization, where workforce is striving for more flexible, empowering, and fulfilling ways to work. At the same time, the workforce is more connected, yet increasingly decentralized. But the pace of change hasn't slowed. This is all happening at a pivotal moment. We're now entering a new era where the next generation of AI will transform how people use technology to automate tasks, augment creativity, and focus on work that's more meaningful and fulfilling. AI is going to profoundly change how we work and how our organizations operate. It's going to provide a catalyst to dramatically improve productivity if we apply it well. I'm sure everyone here today has heard of generative AI. Many of you have probably interacted with an AI model like OpenAI's ChatGPT to get answers or generate original content. The ability to create a poem about how generative AI will change the world, or generate a Monet-style painting of a human playing chess with a robot, is a preview of how AI will fundamentally and forever change the productivity and business processes like those managed in an ERP or CRM systems. The things that make this new generation of AI different from the models just a few years back is that it can understand natural language, can synthesize a large amount of data from lots of different sources, and can create unique and original content. Most importantly, it truly acts as a co-pilot that augments a human's ingenuity, but always with human in the loop making the final decision. When generative AI models are embedded in business applications trained on the organization's own data, we'll begin to see how AI can amplify the impact across every role. And this is all happening right now, not years from now. In 2021, the percentage of the world's data produced by generative AI was just under 1%. Gartner estimates that by year 2025, around 10% of the data will be generated by AI, which is quite a big leap. The implication will be huge across industries, but it begs the question, is the workforce ready for it? A few months ago, we surveyed thousands of employees in the US, the UK, and Japan to find out. We asked them what they needed from business technology to help them be more successful at work. 85%, a huge majority, said they wanted digital tools to help them be more agile in their work, to automate repetitive and redundant tasks, and to make information they need in the moment more accessible. Some respondents have been given tools to solve these challenges. A resounding 9 out of 10 employees who have access to automation and AI-powered tools said they feel more fulfilled because they can spend time on work that truly matters. This gives us, the team building Microsoft business applications, confidence that our approach to AI is the right one. When AI is integrated in business toolsets, it amplifies the value everyone brings to the workplace. A great example is GitHub Copilot, which was the first Copilot application Microsoft brought to market and became generally available in March 2022, and is transforming how developers produce code. Up to 40% of all lines of code written by developers using Copilot are now fully AI generated. In measured tests conducted by third parties, they found that developers using Copilot are 55% more productive in completing tasks and applications. But even more striking to me is what developers think about the Copilot experience. They absolutely love it. 74% of developers using Copilot report feeling that they can now focus on more satisfying work and enjoying their job more. Debugging and looking up regular expression is not satisfying. By having that work auto-generated, developers can instead focus on things that make them feel more fulfilled, complete their work faster, and feel more productive. This is truly transformational in terms of how development teams can work. Just as GitHub Copilot transforms how developers create code, Dynamics 365 Copilot will transform business processes across the organization. As we announced in early March, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot provides interactive AI-powered assistance across business functions, from sales, service, marketing, supply chain to operations. With Dynamics 365 Copilot, we're introducing the world's first AI Copilot natively built in both CRM and ERP applications. Now, let's take a sneak peek at Copilot capabilities in the preview for Dynamics 365 and Viva Sales.
9 out of 10 workers said that automation and AI-powered tools would help them focus on meaningful work. Introducing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot. AI-powered assistance to get more done with less effort and take on the tasks that keep you from the work that matters. From summarizing meeting notes, complete with action items and follow-up dates, to helping you get started with emails and content. Whether you're a seller following up with a proposal, a marketer promoting a new product, or a service agent providing world-class customer support, Copilot is there when you need it to suggest responses, documents, and ideas in the moment, and get help just by asking in a conversational way. Copilot features can help write a compelling product description for online stores, or help find the right audience simply by typing who they want to reach. Copilot can even help with your supply chain by predicting risks before they become a problem and provide clear steps to take action. Copilot is built into Dynamics 365 using artificial intelligence developed responsibly by Microsoft, empowering employees to deliver better customer experiences and drive efficiency across the organization. Dynamics 365 Copilot, the world's first AI Copilot in both CRM and ERP.
As you can see, Dynamics 365 Copilot is truly transformational for Dynamics 365 users. It brings the power of next-generation AI capabilities and natural language processing to Dynamics 365 to help everyone create ideas and offer content suggestions, assist with time-consuming tasks, and provide insights into what's happening and recommend next best actions. Copilot is seamlessly woven into Dynamics 365 experience, providing guidance right when it's needed in the flow of work. We're taking a novel approach to AI for business professionals. Copilot experiences are woven into application for every role, every function, every line of business, from sales, service, marketing, operations to supply chain. Everyone will benefit from AI-enhanced business processes. And Copilot is powered by Azure OpenAI Service and offers built-in responsible AI capabilities and enterprise-grade Azure security. Our approach to AI follows three fundamental promises we make with the Microsoft Cloud. First, your data is your data. It's not our data, it's your data. That means it's yours to own and control. It's completely up to you to choose what data you want to leverage and monetize. Second, your data is not used to train or enrich fundamental AI models used by others. You don't have to worry about anyone other than your organization benefiting from AI that's trained on your data. Only your organization benefits from your data and business processes. And third, your data and AI models, in fact, your entire organization, are protected at every step by the most comprehensive enterprise compliance and security controls in the industry. That is Microsoft's commitment to you. And that commitment should give you the confidence to leverage the power of the next generation AI to transform your businesses. I invite you to learn more about Copilot and AI capabilities across Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform. Throughout the day, you'll hear more about AI, as well as a wealth of content about how to implement well-architected solutions, best practices around adoption of Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform within your organization, and optimizing what you've already installed and how to make the best of it. We will have programs set up to help you with your adoption of on-premises solutions and the benefits of moving them to the cloud. Thank you so much for being a part of the Dynamics 365 community, and enjoy your time at Microsoft Customer Success Day.